So this is the Redmi Note 6 Pro with the code name is Tulip, and in this video I will show you how to customize your phone using Android 12 on Nusantara OS. Okay, step is very simple, and all the file and instruction I will provide in my blog. Okay, just make sure you follow all the instruction, and we will have successfully Android 12. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Hello guys, assalamualaikum. We meet again with Bob. This time we have Xiaomi Phone. It is the Redmi Note 6 Pro. Okay, with the code name is Tulip. And today we're going to try to customize this phone using the Android 12 based on Nusantara OS. Okay, like usual. Before we get started, let's check the setting system. Let's go to the settings right here. Where is it? And it is using the MIUI 12.0.1 and based on Red 9. Okay, if I'm not mistaken, this is the last update for this one. So today we're going to try to operate using custom ROM using the Android 12. Okay, let's check the bootloader status to all spec, and then find the MIUI version and hit 5 times. Okay, go back again, find additional settings, developer options, and here we go. The Mi unlock status is already locked. Okay, so if you haven't unlocked the phone, you should unlock it. Okay, and it doesn't need 7 days to unlock this phone. It will instantly, you will have unlock bootloader after you unlock using the Mi unlock tools. Okay, and then let's go to the bootloader mode. Okay, Fastboot mode. So turn off the phone, and as usual, press the volume down and the power button at the same times. Okay, it will goes to the Fastboot mode. Okay, and let's open the CMD. Okay, we want to check the device code. Okay, this is not necessary. Okay, I forgot to connect the USB cable. This is the command that I use just to make sure that we already connected in the Fastboot mode. Okay, nice. Then let's try to flash the custom recovery, and we're going to use the orange box. Okay, so let's try to flash it. Has been a long time since I've seen this phone. Okay, it's kind of rare in here. So I just have the phone this time to make a tutorial. Okay, now we are in the custom recovery. And from here, okay, let's just swipe it. We need to format the internal storage. Okay, just go to this menu, select format data tab and type yes. Okay, hit enter. And after that, we need to go to the custom recovery again. Hit the home button, select this menu, select reboot and recovery. Okay, now let's go to this menu again. This time we want to wipe some partition. Okay, select the Delphic as data and swipe it. Okay, hit the home button, and it's always a good idea to backup the EFS. So go to this menu, new backup. Okay, select this option for smaller size, enable compression, and then let's backup the modem and EFS. Okay, this is just for precaution, and swipe it. And from here we want to copy several files. Okay, let's first copy the backup that we have, paste it in here, and we're going to use the Android 12. Okay, this is the vanilla base. It means that it doesn't include the gaps, so we need to copy the gaps into the internal storage. Okay, Android 12, ARM64. Then select the gaps, ARM64, Android 12. We're going to use the nick gaps. Okay. Okay. For you guys that want to use one that need the root access, you can always copy the images. Okay. Let's paste it in here and rename the APK into zip like this one. Okay. Enter. And let's switch again the screen. Okay. Now let's swipe it. Hit the home button, select this menu, and select the Nusantara OS. Okay, swipe it. Done. Now, before we install the gaps, we need to go to the custom recovery again. Okay, so hit the home button, select this menu, select reboot and recovery. Okay. Usually after flash the custom ROM, I went to the custom recovery again. It is just for caution, because sometimes if you directly flash the gaps, it will boot loop into the Fastboot mode. Okay. So now let's select the nick gaps, add more zip, and add the Magisk. Okay. If you don't want to have root access, you can always skip installing the Magisk. All the files and instruction I will provide in my blog. The link is in the description box. Okay. Now it's installing the Magisk. You can see right here. Now it's done. All we need to do is reboot the system, but let's go to the home section again. This time I want to format the data one more time. Okay. Then let's hit the reboot system. Okay. As for the all phone, like the let me Note 6 Pro, Series 6, 5 and 4, it's usually very easy. Okay, basically they have the same steps. Okay, you can see right here now the new boot logo is changing to the Nusantara OS, and I will continue after we enter the home screen. And here we go. This is the Redmi Note 6 Pro using the Nusantara OS Android 12. Okay, let's make a quick review about this ROM. If it's quite good enough or not for daily driver. Okay. This is just a simple review. Don't hope for gaming, okay, because I'm not a gamer. Okay. The thing I want to show you that Wi-Fi is working and also the SIM card is working, so there is no problem with that. And next we want to test the map or the GPS, and here we go. Seems that it's working. Okay, so there is no problem with the GPS. And then let's test the camera. I think the camera is kind of broken, the glass. Okay, let's try it anyway. This is the back camera and it's broken. Okay. I cannot test the back camera, but I can assure you that it is working. Now let's try the front camera. Okay, the front camera is not working. Okay, let's take a picture and let's take a video. Okay, this is the video recording using the front camera, and I will stop this one. Okay, let's test using the back. Okay, it doesn't work. It is not because of the ROM. Okay, this is the glass. Okay, now I'm testing using the back camera, and the back camera is broken. Okay, let's check the result. I just want to show you that it is working. Okay, the front camera, and this is the video. Okay, it's working. Yeah, let's now test the sound and video. Let's open the YouTube. Okay, sorry for the broken camera, so please bear with me. Because this is all I've got. Okay, now let's test sound. Okay, I just want to play the short video. Okay, let's test this one. This is a short video from my channel. Okay, this is okay, it's working, so the video and sound playback is working. Okay, now let's open the Magisk. As you can see, we have successfully installed the latest one. Okay, let's open the root checker just for fun. Okay, for you guys that need root access. Okay, oh, it's working also. And okay, let's open the ARM64 CPU, Qualcomm 636, and Xiaomi Tulip Note 6 Pro on Android 12. Okay guys, okay, that's all guys. This is a quick review, and seems that it's quite good enough and quite fast, better than the stock ROM, and you can taste the vanilla version of the Android 12. And I hope you like my video. If you find it very useful, please give it a thumb. And I also have lots of video about routing, custom ROM, and lots of fun. Okay, especially Xiaomi, Samsung, Realme, Asus, and other stuff. Okay, you can find in my video. Maybe some of the video will be useful for you. Okay guys, if you subscribe, it will make me excited to make a new video. And that's all. Stay safe, stay healthy, and wassalamualaikum.